Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Hi, my name is Ramandeep. I post beauty, makeup and skincare related videos, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell which is right next to it, so you will be notified every single time I upload a new video on my channel.
What a wonderful world.
Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be talking about a new day cream that I've been testing out for a while and I wanted to film a review video. I'm pretty sure you guys have already read the title, but before I get into the review section of this video, I quickly want to mention that I am someone who has dry skin. So I've been on the hunt for a day cream which has moisturizing properties, provides sun protection and also has some actives or some other skin benefits that I'll get out of my day cream. I recently got my hands on this Lotus Botanicals Vitamin C Skin Brightening Day Cream or Day Creme because we are fancy. If you've been around on my channel for a while now, you already know that vitamin C is one of those skincare ingredients that I include religiously in my skincare routine no matter what. This is the very first time I tried out something from this brand, and you guys know I love doing that here on my channel. I always love trying out different brands, so this was the very first time me trying out something from this brand, and yeah, I have a lot of thoughts, so make sure you watch the video till the end. So let's begin with the packaging. It comes in this beautiful green and golden kind of packaging. I love the aesthetic here, and this is very heavy. It comes in a glass jar, and when you open the lid you have this protection cover or protection lid, I don't know what to call it, but yeah, so this is how it looks. It kind of has a peachy color and it has a very mild fragrance which I would say is sweet. It's not too harsh, but I really like the smell. It's pretty pleasant. Here's a closer look. Let's dive into the ingredient list now. So as the name suggests, it has vitamin C, and vitamin C helps with dark spots, acne scars, hyperpigmentation. Vitamin C also has antioxidant properties. Vitamin C also helps repair sun damage, sensitivity and irritation. Another ingredient that caught my eye was niacinamide, which is quite high up in the list. It is on number 2. First is aqua, then we have niacinamide. Niacinamide is a holy grail ingredient for sensitivity, redness, improving your skin barrier, getting rid of any acne scarring and dark spots. Now coming to the moisturizing ingredients, here we have aqua on top of the list, which provides a lot of moisturization. It provides intense moisturization to your skin, and it also helps with dryness and any early signs of aging. It also has CTC quite high up in the list, which makes your skin smooth. Then we also have glycerin here. Now glycerin is a humectant, which means it draws moisture from the environment into your skin, making your skin soft and plump. I was just going through the website and they've also mentioned that this is paraben free, cruelty free, vegan, silicone free, mineral oil free, and the packaging is recyclable, which is something that I absolutely love about brands when they're conscious about all these things. That's how you win my heart. So there are many other amazing ingredients in here, but the one that caught my attention right away was SPF 25. So this is a day cream that comes with SPF protection, which is something that I absolutely love and something that I was actually looking for, to be quite honest. Of course, I love using sunscreens. That is a staple in my skincare routine, but it's always good to have SPF in your day cream or your moisturizer. So I really like the fact that they have SPF 25 here. So I'm pretty sure you guys must be wondering if this day cream has SPF, does it leave a white cast? To be quite honest, it doesn't. I have been using it every single day, and what I do is once I apply this cream, I let it sit for like a minute or so and it absorbs right into your skin. The formula is pretty lightweight and it can be used by all skin types, people with dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, normal skin. You're good to go. You can use this day cream, and what I love about this is that people with oily skin can also use this because it's not that oily. Like I mentioned earlier, I have been using it every single morning and I love the fact that it's not super heavy on the skin. It absorbs right away and you can go out and about with your day. You don't have to worry about sticky heavy skincare on your face. Talking about the price and quantity, you are getting 50 grams of product here for rupees 595, which is a great price according to me for the given quality and quantity. This is something that I would totally recommend checking out, and I'll mention a link to their website in my description bar, so make sure you check it out in case you're interested. Final verdict, I'm going to continue using this every single day and see how it goes. For now, I really love how my skin feels after using this, and I love the fact that there are so many amazing ingredients in here. It's a great addition to my skincare routine, and I guess I finally found the day cream that I see myself using for a very long time. Alright you guys, so that wraps up today's video. That is it from my end. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, please let me know by dropping a like and a comment below. I would really appreciate it if you could leave a like and a comment so that you can feed the algorithm, and that's how YouTube will show my video to others. So please make sure you do that before leaving, and also if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. All my social media handles will be mentioned down below as well, so make sure you follow me there. Stay connected, and I'll see you guys pretty soon in my next video. Until then, take care and stay safe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys. Peace.